to my kitchen. Today's recipe is suya spices or kebab spices. You are going to love this, so please don't go watch this video for me and share the video. And if you have not subscribed, I beg you to subscribe, like, comment for me, and hey, share the video. And so we are going to make it with peanuts. This is roasted peanuts. I'm going to leave the quantity in the description box. So what we are going to do is to grind it. We are going to use a grinder to do this. Now, we are not going to grind it very smooth. No, if you grind it very smooth, it's going to turn into granite paste. And so we are going to use the pulse button to just grind it, pulse it. So the next thing we are going to do is to bring out our baking sheet, spread it on a foil. You can use a parchment paper, and then we are going to put it in the oven on a lower heat, and then just bake it for 5 minutes, but make sure you give it attention. Okay, so this is it after you let it cool. And the next thing we are going to do is to bring out our napkin, and we are going to place the napkin there this way, and we are going to pour the roasted peanuts on it. We are going to extract the oil. If you don't extract the oil, you might not get the result the way you are supposed to get it. Okay, so we are going to extract the oil. We'll cover with a napkin and then cover it, fold it or roll it to the end of the napkin, and we are going to squeeze it. Yes, we are going to squeeze it very, very, very well. And so this, you use all your might, all your strength, and you can get someone to help you to hold one side, then the two of you will be squeezing together. Okay, so after squeezing it for a while, I'm going to turn it to the next side of the napkin. You can use a different napkin for it. So I'm just trying to break it apart, spread it, and then I'm going to turn it to the other side and then squeeze it again. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video for me. Leave a comment as well. Yes, so we are going to fold it again and then roll it to the ends and then squeeze it to get any form of excess oil out. Yes, it's very necessary. So squeezing it with all my strength and all my power. Yes, and so sometimes too, you can leave it this way and then just lay it flat and then fold it the other side and then place something on it and then place something heavy on it and leave it overnight. By the time you come, all the oil squeeze. When you are doing this, make sure that you will add tissue to it. So you will line the napkin with tissue before you will roll it and then place it something heavy on it for the next day. And so this is it. We are done squeezing the oil. We want it very dry. If you don't do it this way, when is there you realize that oil will start popping out. So these are ingredients that we are going to use: our peanuts, flour, and then our all-purpose seasoning, our salt. And we're also going to make use of this is calabash nuts, Negro Pepper, Cloves, Aniseed, how do you call it? Any natural spices that you want, you can use. We are going to use chili powder. Yes, and we are also going to make uses of ginger powder, and then we will make use of garlic powder. This is garlic powder. Yes, and we're also going to make use of onion flakes. This is onion flakes that I made from my onion powder. That is, yes, I have the video there. You can watch it on how to make onion powder. You see, this one I've baked it and it doesn't look dark or black. This is black and white pepper. And so watch the video on how to make a very beautiful onion powder. So I have poured all my natural ingredients in my pan on fire. I'm just toasting it a bit, yes, just a little, and then I am going to let it cool after, and then pour it into my grinder and grind it. Yes, so I'm going to grind it. Okay, so this is it after the grinding. And so this is very simple method. What you are going to do is you're going to add all the ingredients in one bowl. Yes, you're going to add all, starting with the peanuts, flour, adding my ginger, adding my chili powder, my black and white pepper, and also my onion flakes. Yes, onion flakes. And I'm going to add my garlic powder, and I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. Yes, and then I'll add the natural mixed spices that I grinded, and I'm going to add my salt. As for the salt, I didn't add all. You know, the all-purpose seasoning also contains some salt, so you have to be mindful of the quantity that you will use. So we are going to mix everything together. And so after mixing it together, the next thing we are going to do is we are going to grind it. So the grinder that I use for the natural mixed spices, I'm going to use it to grind it. Now, you don't pour everything in at a go, no. If you do that, you won't be able to grind it very well. And so we grind it bit by bit, bit by bit. Okay, and so we are done grinding, and this is it. And in order to get it very smooth, we are going to sieve it. And so get everything, the chaff out. Yes, and then get your smooth suya pepper or kebab pepper or kebab spices. Yes, suya spice or kebab spice. Please subscribe for me, like and share this video for me, and leave a comment as well. And so this is it. This is it. And so you just have to give it a taste, and then you'll be okay. So I realized that my natural mixed spices, so this is it after sieving it. This is what I got, but I'm not going to throw it away. I can use it to spice my meat. Okay, so this is it for suya spice. So like I was saying, I realized that my natural mixed spice, after when I tasted, it was a bit too much, so I added a bit of peanut powder and also chili powder to it to complement it. And so this is it. Give it a try, you will love it, ankasa. And then after I packaged it, thanks for watching, have a blessed day, bye bye.